Obstacles, challenges, we keep going, no matter what. Even though it was raining, we played the game. In spite of the injury, he rose to fame. He is rich whereas I am poor, but I am happy, that is for sure. Despite the fact that he is old, he ran the race brave and bold.